everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today we are working with Cynosure hair. They sent me this beautiful 220% density straight frontal. If you guys want to see me unbox this hair and install it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can participate in all my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything I have going on my Instagram. Thank you for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, let's get right into it. The bag will look like this when you receive it. It says Cynosure hair on the bag. Super cute fuchsia pink. And then I'm just gonna go through what's inside it for you real quick. First, we have some wig caps. We have a edge wrap with adjustable elastic band in the back. And we have some super cute lashes. These look actually really good. I'm a little excited about these. And then we have the wig. All right, so this is the wig. This is a 20-inch straight frontal. I believe it's a 13 by 4. Little extra lace here. We have our 4 combs, left, right, middle, and on the bottom, and of course adjustable straps. This is a 220% density wig, and it feels very thick, especially for a straight wig. So I'm excited to try this. It is, my fingers are just running right through this baby. So let's get a close-up on the edges. It does look pre-plucked. There's some baby hairs in the front here. I might go in and pluck a little bit just because I like to, but this looks really good already. Like, look at it. It looks really good. And then I need to figure out if I want, we're probably going to do a side part today because the last straight wig I did a middle part. So we'll do a side part. I might put some curls in it or maybe just wear it straight. I don't know, but look at it. It looks good. Ooh, it got a whole lot of body. Okay, so I'm just going to pluck this a little bit off camera, and then I'll come back and install it real quick, and then we'll talk about it. Don't forget to check the description box for all the information and the direct website and link to this wig. Let's get started. I just plucked a little bit because I just honestly wasn't willing to like give up all that time trying to pluck. But I did a little bit of plucking. I put some concealer on the parting, threw some mousse on here, hot combed it, and I threw some flat iron curls in here, which it looks very good. Again, this is straight hair. This is a 20-inch straight hair at that, which I feel like it looks pretty long for 20 inches. Or maybe just like shorter hair, just more my vibe. And so when I get 20 inches, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is long. This is long. But the hair is so soft. The luster is at perfection. Perfection. I didn't cut this hair at all. Not even the ends or anything. And it looks very full, like very full, especially for straight hair. For those of you who like buy wigs and like know about density, 220% density on straight hair is very rare. Like, I don't know another company that does it. And this just feels really, really good. So let me show you the back real quick. This is the back. All right, that is the back. This side part just gives it to me every time, like especially with the flat iron curls. I haven't done this in a while, and it just gives every freaking time. And I just brush them out because I want them to be like a really like effortless type of curl. Like, I don't want them to be tight at all. So I brush them out. But yes, this hair feels really good. It hasn't tangled up on me like at all. Not one time. It feels really good. The lace looks really good. I will have all the details to what type of lace this is, because honestly I can't remember exactly what type of lace it is. All I know is it is a 13x4 frontal, and the rest will be in the description box. Okay. 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 This hair feels good. It has so much body too, you guys. So much body. Like, this is definitely the fullest straight wig I have gotten thus far. Most definitely the fullest. I have not gotten a straight wig this full before. This is it. This is it. It's so beautiful. Again, this hair is from Cynosure hair. It is a 20-inch straight 220% density wig. Yes, and she's definitely giving 220, okay? She's giving 220. She is a beaut. Make sure you guys check out that description box for all of the details. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.